These are some elevators. One of the elevators, because that one's out of service. At 3 World Trade Center, Lower Manhattan, New York City. These are custom OTIS. Let's go down to C2. Now, if you look off, coming up to your left, you'll see the gear traction machine. It's a Reuland
C2. Going up.
It's a Reuland motor hooked up to a Hollister-Whitney machine. Now, since somebody called,
going down.
Now, since somebody called in a few floors down, I'm going to get off here, so you can see it go down. Goes and watch. We're back at C Concourse 2.
Floor C2. Going up.
Here are 1.
Floor 1. Going down.
And at C2, again, these are custom OTIS. You'll see the machine. Oh, we're stopping on C1.
Floor C1. Going down.
That is the machine. There's the rope gripper.
Floor C2.
Again, it's a Reuland motor hooked up to a Hollister-Whitney geared machine. The other one is out of service, and that'll be it.